Do you want to know how you can follow everyone on Threads? If yes, then this video is for you. Hello and welcome to 1-2-Step. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can follow each and every one of your friends of Instagram using Threads. Go ahead and open Threads, which is on your phone. Go to your profile, which you can see on the bottom right hand corner. Go to settings and then go to follow and invite friends. Now tap on Instagram friends. You can individually follow people like this, or then you can just click follow all and then press confirm. In a while you can see that you have followed all of your friends connected to your Instagram. So all you need to do is open Threads, go to your profile, tap on settings, which is on the top right hand side, go to follow and invite friends, go to Instagram friends and then click follow all. Click confirm, and then in a while you will follow all of your friends of Instagram on your Threads as well. This was a video on how you can follow everyone on Threads. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care and make sure you enjoy.